Your question is, which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? Your options are A. Police, B. Criminal matters, C. Radio and television, or D. Foreign affairs. Right answer is B. Criminal matters. Your question is, the system of judicial review exists in. Your options are A. India only, B. USA only, C. India and USA, or D. UK only. Right answer is C. India and USA. Your question is, which of the following is correct? Your options are A. Social equality is not guaranteed in our constitution, B. Social equality already existed in our country, C. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Social equality is guaranteed in our constitution. Your question is, who said India is a quasi-federal state? Your options are A. Harold Lasky, B. Ivor Jennings, C. Lord Bryce, or D. Casey Ware. Right answer is D. Casey Ware. Your question is, in the Indian Constitution, the right to freedom is granted by 4 articles which are. Your options are A. Article 19 to Article 22, B. Article 16 to Article 19, C. Article 17 to Article 20, or D. Article 18 to Article 21. Right answer is A. Article 19 to Article 22. Your question is, the procedure of impeachment of the President of India is. Your options are A. Quasi-judicial procedure, B. Executive procedure, C. Judicial procedure, or D. Legislative procedure. Right answer is A. Quasi-judicial procedure. Your question is, who was the 12th Prime Minister of India? Your options are A. Chandrasekhar, B. Deve Gowda, C. I.K. Gujral, or D. A.B. Vajpayee. Right answer is B. Deve Gowda. Your question is, the strength of the Lok Sabha was increased from 525 to 545 through which amendment? Your options are A. 31st, B. 35th, C. 42nd, or D. 45th. Right answer is A. 31st. Your question is, the Rajya Sabha can be dissolved by. Your options are A. The President, B. The Prime Minister, C. The Council of Ministers, or D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. Your question is, which of the following procedures will enable the adoption of a money bill that was once passed by the Lok Sabha but was amended by the Rajya Sabha? Your options are A. It will go to the President, B. The Lok Sabha will have to pass it with 2/3 majority of the members sitting and voting, C. A joint session of the two houses will be called, or D. It will be deemed to have been passed if the Lok Sabha passes it again, either by accepting or rejecting the amendments. Right answer is D. It will be deemed to have been passed if the Lok Sabha passes it again, either by accepting or rejecting the amendments.